How to get a Shudder free trial. Shudder offers a 7-day free trial for new users, allowing you to explore its extensive library of horror, thriller, and suspense content. Here's how to activate your Shudder free trial. Step 1. Visit the Shudder website. Go to www.shudder.com. Click on the Try 7 Days Free button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Enter your email address, password. If you already have an account, log in to proceed. Step 3. Select a subscription plan. Choose a plan for after the trial ends. Monthly plan. Build monthly. Annual plan. Offers savings over the monthly option. The trial applies to both plans, allowing you to test all features. Step 4. Add payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card or link your PayPal account. Shudder won't charge you during the 7-day trial, but charges will apply after the trial unless canceled. Step 5. Start streaming Shudder content. Browse Shudder's collection of movies, series, and exclusive originals. Stream on supported devices such as smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles. Explore features like curated collections and live streaming channels. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log into your Shudder account. Navigate to Account Settings Subscription. Select Cancel Membership to avoid being charged after the trial period. By following these steps, you can enjoy Shudder's unique horror-focused content during the free trial and decide if it's the right streaming service for you.